welcome to Open House. My name is Katie Arrighi. I teach 7th grade English, and I'm the advisor for the Oak Avenue Auxiliaries.
Hi, my name is Deanna Ho, and I teach 8th grade English here at Oak.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Autran. Welcome to Oak Avenue's digital open house.
Good evening, parents and students. I am Becky French. I'm an 8th grade English teacher here at Oak Avenue.
Hello, my name is Miss Sai and I teach ELD.
Hi everybody, my name is Miss Bergili and I teach 8th grade English.
Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Zamora, English teacher at Oak Avenue School. Welcome to Open House.
Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm in Miss Autran's English class. Stuff I really like about English class is doing journals and reading books. I really liked the book The Outsiders because it was really fun to read, and Miss Autran would read it aloud to us. It was really funny.
My favorite thing about English is my teacher, Miss B, because she makes class so much fun and taught me many elements of literature and writing that have helped me become a better writer.
My favorite aspect about English class was that it was very fun and enjoyable. Despite having to face the challenge of distance learning, Miss Ho made the class still very fun and engaging. I also really enjoyed how we got to do groups for many assignments and projects.
Good afternoon. My name is Charlize Samaniego, and this year has been unique to say the least. I like going to class because we have discussions. I get to voice my opinion and hear the opinion of others. Also, I really like the extracurricular opportunities because they are very fun and extremely helpful. So even though this year has been different, unique, and crazy to say the least, it has also been fun.
Hi, my name is Lucy Liu and I am in Ms. Zamora's Period 4 English class. I really like English class because it's always this comfortable space for us to talk and share. For example, in the beginning of every class, we have an assignment called writing warm-ups. I really like writing warm-ups because by the end of it, we all have written something and we can see other people's replies, we can reply to them, they can reply to us. It's very comfortable to share. And normally Miss Mora will pick a few kids or a few will volunteer to share what we wrote. And it's cool because you can hear what your classmates wrote about and sometimes they'll hear what you wrote about. Some of my favorite things we learned this year were literary terms and devices and poetry. Literary terms and devices have been really interesting to me since before I mostly only used similes and metaphor in my writing. And I think that learning about them really helped expand my vocabulary.
My favorite thing about English this year is that we did a lot of group assignments. I prefer these over individual work because it allows us to interact and talk with our classmates, which is especially important during distant learning.
Hi, my name is Eleni Velasquez, and although this year has been a little bit rough, I've still found my joy in learning. My favorite things I've been doing this year in Mrs. French's class is writing poems, essays, and book responses. Thanks to Mrs. French, I've learned to become a better writer and student.
Hi, my name is Robin, and I'm in 7th grade. My English teacher is Mrs. Arrighi, and my favorite thing about English class is reading with the class. My favorite assignment right now is this project we did about a book we read.
Hi, my name is Tiffany P. and I am in Miss Ho's 6th period English class. My favorite aspect of English class that I enjoy is probably the video assignments and group projects because they allow me to be creative and socialize with others. For example, in our Ethos Pathos Logos video project, I was able to creatively advertise a product that I came up with, and I was able to use my editing skills to make the video.
My favorite activities in English are the group projects. The group projects are my favorite because you can learn new ideas from the people around you. It also makes the assignment easier because you have people to depend on. You can enjoy the time with your group partners and create a great result. Usually, these projects become a work of art and look aesthetically pleasing. Overall, I enjoy the group projects the most since it's a fun activity.